Hello, good day. I'm Poi. In last tutorial, we talked about splice method. So now let's talk about unshift method in JavaScript. So let's create unshift.js. So what is unshift? Unshift method in JavaScript is used to add one or more elements to the beginning of an array. It modifies the original array and returns the new length of the array. So let's create an example for our unshift method. So let's create a fruits. Okay. Then inside of fruits we have apple, mango, and then banana. Okay. And then let's create another variable that holds for our new length of our um, array fruits. Then use unshift. Then let's add this orange and grape. So let's console dot log our fruits and then new length. Okay, so here in our example, the unship method is called on the fruit array with two arguments, the orange and the grape. These elements are added to the beginning of the array, then shifting the existing element to the right. The modified array fruits now contains, we're expecting that the value of this one is orange, grape, apple, mango, and banana. The unship method returns the new length of the array. So the output of this new length variable is now 5. So let's run the code. So as you can see here, our prediction is true based on the code that we are inputting. So yeah, I hope I give you the clarification how to use the unship method in JavaScript. And if you have further question, just comment below in our comment box. So thank you and bye bye.